Hey you guys, my name is Daisy. I'm going to share with you guys something that I discovered. I was going to buy this on Amazon for $45, so I would have rounded up to $50 plus tax, you know, and I wasn't about to do it. My heart just didn't allow me to do it, so I was like, let me go see if there's other places where I can find the same exact thing. And guess what, you guys, I did find it. I bought it on Sam's Club for $25 plus tax. It came out to be $28. If you guys don't want to buy it on Sam's Club's website, you can buy it at Michael's for $29, and also you can buy it on Amazon for $45. It goes up to $45 to $50. However, if we can save a little, why wouldn't we? I am going to unbox this for you guys to show you guys how this one from Sam's Club looks. I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Come on.
When I went to HomeGoods throughout this video, I saw the exact same drawer assembled in the store for $50. Girl, just save yourself some money and assemble it yourself, please.
Okay guys, so first off, right at the bat, this is a great size to fill up a lot of your makeup, trust me. So you guys, I completely forgot that this is a roll cart, so that is very good. It's very convenient just to move around your room, especially if you're gonna redecorate your room soon. You can easily just move it around. I don't know if you guys want me to do step by step. I doubt you guys do. Maybe you guys do. I don't know. I guess I am going to show you guys step by step because it is easy. So
here you see me visibly struggling to put in E, which is sleeve, and also G, which is the locking caster. I'm just locking them in, and how I know that they're locked in is because you hear a clicking sound.
Make sure these are pointing out that way. And the ridge is gonna go out that way. And then we're gonna squeeze it with the ridge. So this step that I just showed you guys, we're gonna repeat it on the other end. But make sure you do not squeeze it with the wrench tight until the drawers are placed. Then you can squeeze it tightly. Okay you guys, I just noticed that I did not like the knob it came with to pull out the drawer. However, thankfully I do have these leftover diamond knobs, so what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to go buy more. But this is a pack of 6 for $8.99 at HomeGoods, so I do recommend you guys getting this if you want it to look more bougie. If you don't, it's totally fine. Do not spend your money for dumb stuff like me, okay? That's how it's gonna look like inside the box. It does have the little inch of screw, however it's fine, I don't care about it. The other screws for the other knobs weren't compatible with my knobs, but do I care? No. Okay, so it's the next day. I went to HomeGoods and thankfully I did find the diamond knobs. I was thinking maybe they sold out or something, but no girl, they are here. They had a 12 pack for I wish $12.99. They had a 12 pack for $19.99. Look how beautiful these are. Oh girl. They also had a 6 pack for $9.99, but I needed 8, so I just got the 12 pack. So it was gonna be the same thing if I bought 2 packs of 6. It was gonna cost me $20 regardless, so I just got the 12 pack. But let me show you guys how it's looking with the knobs.
Okay, so this is how it looks, you guys. So pretty. Oh my god, I can't. So for my first shelf, I obviously put my foundations. This is what I normally wear all the time. Guess which one is my favorite foundation? Just guess. Clearly this one. I love that one. All of these are probably my favorite. As you can tell, my body shimmers are back here. My contour shade is over there. Just very pretty. It looks so cute, you guys. Also, if you guys are wondering what I have my foundations on, I'll leave the link down below. It is a spice rack. I saw this hack on Pinterest, I think it was. But look, it's so cute and it just displays your foundation so pretty. So for the second shelf, I have all my contour shades and my concealers and my setting powders back there. My RCMA and as well my brow products. That's like my main, if you guys were just curious. And now for my third one. I don't want to clutter things up. I like seeing what I have, so I didn't want to stack, but I usually wear these two, so I'll take everything out of here. And for my highlighters, I put it in the box that I showed you guys from Dollar Tree. I noticed that I couldn't put 3 of these boxes just because it was harder to close, but one was fine. So for my next shelf, I just have my lippies here, nothing too crazy. My necessity lippies, I have them in here. They're all my nudes. I am obsessed with nudes. So those are my go-to. So I didn't want to have them here because I have a own spot for them. Besides my lippies, I left all these 4 empty. However, this is where it's at, you guys. Oh, girl. These are my eyelashes. These are my babies. There's 3 back there. And then more eyelashes. I love eyelashes. If you know me, I love eyelashes. And honestly, probably these 4 extra ones are going to be eyelashes as well. I'm gonna keep ordering AliExpress, a link down below. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope I saved you guys some money in showing you guys where I got this drawer. Like I said, I'm going to leave everything down in the description box so you guys can find this drawer closest to you. But other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!